Today was a very long day.
Yes, it was really long. I feel very tired.
The train was so late today.
Yes, 2 hours late. That was not good.
I just want to sleep now. How far is the hotel now?
I asked the driver. He said about 10 minutes.
Good. Only 10 minutes left. Almost midnight.
Yes, we are almost there.
It is already very late. What time is it now?
Let me check. It is 11:45.
Oh, very late.
Yes, we had a long journey today.
Sam, I have a small question.
Yes, tell me.
Do you think the hotel front desk is still open?
I'm not sure. Some hotels close their front desk at night.
Really? That sounds strange.
Yes, small hotels sometimes close at night.
What do they do then?
They give a code or key instructions before arrival.
Oh, I see. But we did not get any code?
Yes, we didn't get anything.
That is why I'm a little worried.
Maybe this hotel is 24 hours open.
Yes, I hope so. We should check. I'm calling now.
Okay, tell them we are late. Also, ask about our room.
Yes, I will explain everything.
Sometimes hotels give rooms to other guests.
Really?
Yes, that can happen.
That sounds scary. That is why I want to confirm. Hello, this is Anna Wilson. I have a booking tonight.
Good evening, Miss Anna Wilson. How can I help you?
Our train was very late. We are still on the way.
No problem. What time will you arrive?
Around midnight in 10 minutes.
That is completely fine. The front desk is open all night.
Oh, good. I was worried.
Many guests arrive late. It is normal.
Is our room still ready?
Yes, I can see your booking here. A double room for 2 nights.
That is right.
The room is clean and ready. Just come to the front desk when you arrive.
Great, thank you. Is there a late check-in fee?
No, we do not charge a late fee. If you come before tomorrow morning, the price is the same.
That is very good. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. My name is Ethan. I will be at the front desk all night. Just ask for me.
Thank you, Ethan. See you soon.
So, what did they say?
Good news. Everything is fine.
Really?
Yes, they are open all night.
And our room?
The room is ready for us.
That is a big relief. Look, we're here.
Yes, finally, the hotel. It looks nice from outside.
Yes, let's go inside.
Good evening. We just called. We are Anna Wilson and Sam Walker.
Welcome. Yes, I remember you.
Sorry, we are very late.
No problem at all. Please give me a photo ID, a passport, or a driver's license.
Here is my passport.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Everything is okay?
Yes, just normal check-in. Now I need a credit card for the room.
Here you go.
Thank you. The total will be charged at checkout.
Okay, that is fine.
Your room is on the 4th floor, room 506. Here is your key card.
Thank you. 2 key cards, please. My partner needs one too.
Of course, here are 2 key cards.
Thanks. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 in the morning. The dining room is on the 1st floor.
We may leave early. Maybe before 6?
I see. If you cannot eat in the dining room, we can prepare a takeaway breakfast for you.
Oh, really? That is great.
Yes, it is a small bag with bread, fruit, and juice.
How do we get them?
We leave them at the front desk. You can pick them up in the morning.
Wonderful. 2 bags, please. One for me and one for my partner.
Done. 2 breakfast bags. They will be ready in the morning.
Thank you so much.
Do you want express checkout?
What is express checkout?
It means you leave keys in the room. We send the bill to your email.
Oh, that sounds easy, but we may have questions in the morning. Can we still come to the desk?
Yes, of course. The morning staff will help you.
Thank you, Ethan. Have a good night.
Thank you. Sleep well.
Finally, we are in the room.
Yes, it looks nice. Big bed, big window.
Yes, but I am too tired.
Same. I just want to sleep. Let's sit for a moment.
So, what is the plan tomorrow?
We wake up very early. Our flight is early morning. We must leave at 5:30.
Very early. No time for breakfast and dining room.
Yes, but takeaway breakfast is ready.
That is great. What about checkout?
We do express checkout.
What is that?
We just leave the key cards in the room. We do not stop at the front desk.
Oh, I see.
The bill comes to our email.
That sounds fast, but I want to check the bill before we leave.
Yes, me too. We should go to front desk in morning.
Yes, that is better. Okay, plan. Wake up at 5.
5 o'clock. We have only 5 hours to sleep.
I know, sleep is short tonight.
Let us pack the bags tonight. Then in the morning, just shower and go.
Good idea. Morning will be busy. We should pack now.
We also need alarms.
Yes, very important. One alarm is not enough. Set 2 alarms.
One at 5 and one at 4:45.
Perfect. Now let us pack.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
We are checking out room 508.
Let me see. Is your name Anna Wilson?
Yes, that is me.
Okay, now I will print your bill. Here it is. 2 nights for the room.
Oh no, we stay one night only.
Let me check. Yes, your booking was for 2 nights, but you are leaving today.
Yes, we changed our plan. We have to leave today.
Okay, this is an early checkout. I will fix it.
Thank you.
Now it is correct. The bill is for 1 night only. The total is $140.
Thank you. Please charge my card.
Done. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. What about breakfast bags?
Yes, they are ready here. 2 bags, bread, fruit, juice, and a small bottle of water.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Everything is done now. We made it on time.
Yes, checkout complete. No fee for early checkout.
Yes, late check-in last night, early checkout this morning.
A short stay, but a good stay. I like this hotel.
Me too. The staff was very kind.
I will leave a good review online.
Me too. Let's write it on the way to the airport.
Perfect. Let's go to airport. Taxi is here.
Okay, let's go. See you in the next video.